3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is just a quick tip on how to remove these thumbnails from the left side of the screen when in Google Slides. So let's say you have a Google Slides presentation and you want to be able to use some manipulatives on the slides, but you don't want to have to go back and forth between a presentation view and then back to the editing view and all that. So we're going to stay in editing view. We're going to hit F12, and that will bring up this Web Elements menu on the right side of the screen. Then we're going to go Control F, and that brings up a little search bar right here, right above my head. And we're going to simply type Film Strip. And if you see Film Strip, it highlighted these rows. We're going to select this first row that it found that says TD Class Film Strip, and we're just going to hit Delete. And we'll hit F12 to remove the Elements menu. And there we go. Now I have a full screen view without those thumbnails over on the far left side. If I want to make it even more closer to a full screen view, I can remove my menu. And then if I hit F11 in Chrome, it makes it as close as I've been able to find to get to a full screen without being in presentation mode. And now I can scroll through my activities. If I have anything linked, I can still use my links. Just have to click on them a couple of times. And then any activities we have, I can come in here and I can simply start dragging and dropping as if I were simply in editing mode, but it looks like I'm in presentation mode. Nice full screen. So that's your quick tip. Now, one thing on this is anytime that this page is refreshed, it will bring back the thumbnails. So you either just have to not refresh the page or go back through the same process of hitting F12. And that is it. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.